It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday, May 17th. I'm James Spann. Actually have a few widely scattered showers around today. We'll see some of those around tomorrow. We think the next widespread type rain will be Sunday, but even then, not going to rain all day long. Let's check it out. Water vapor satellite view across the country. The big trough in the western states, part of it starting to lift out, a negative tilt trough coming across the high plains. And for us, we've still got ridging, the ridge axis suppressed a little to the south and east, and that has opened the door for a few widely scattered showers. That was the radar at 2:30. In fact, some thunder involved up in Blount County. That rain scattered from near Holly Pond in Cullman County down to about Cleveland and Blount County, Leeds, and then down into Shelby County around Harpersville. Those showers moving north, they'll fade away once the sun goes down later this evening. There's the water vapor satellite, or the visible satellite view, and again, you can see those buildups across the state, those cloud streets coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Dew points noticeably higher today as the humidity values are up a good bit. Numbers are mostly in the 80s. Birmingham at 82 thanks to a nearby rain shower. It's 88 in Tuscaloosa and Gadsden, 87 in Anniston. Many spots will probably touch 90 this afternoon before the sun goes down. And around the nation, a high amplitude pattern, cold in the west, hot in the east. And out west where it's cold, we have winter storm warnings for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Nevada, Montana, Idaho. In the warm sector, we've got a tornado watch for parts of Iowa in some of the adjacent states. And in that region, there is an enhanced risk of severe weather for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. A marginal risk down to Little Rock. Tomorrow promises to be an active convective day. A moderate severe weather risk, parts of Oklahoma and Kansas, pretty much the area hit hard by severe weather late yesterday and last night. The risk runs all the way from Texas up into parts of northern New England. And on day 3, which is Friday, there's a risk of severe weather from Texas through parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. And no severe weather risk is defined beyond this for the weekend. And we might see a strong storm here Sunday, but the overall severe weather threat at this point looks fairly low. Rain for the next 7 days amounts between 2 and 3 inches for much of the state. And rain is always a good thing in May. That can mitigate summer heat if you get a good bit of soil moisture going here early in the season. Let's check it out. Model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock Central Time. About 18,000 feet off the ground. This is where the pressure's at 500 millibars. Another deep trough over the western states, and down below that we have a surface low developing over southeast Colorado. Big snows likely for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah. And south and east of the surface low, severe storms will likely erupt. And for us, moisture increases, kind of like today. The dew points are high, and we'll probably see a few scattered showers and storms. The NAM still not showing much. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow, but the NAM didn't suggest we'd have anything today, and we have some scattered showers. So we'll mention scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms tomorrow with a high in the mid to upper 80s. This is Friday. That surface low is digging down through parts of West Texas, West Oklahoma. Severe storms possible west of the state, but for us, any showers should be very isolated. We could have a few out there, kind of like today, but a decent part of the day should be dry, the high close to 90. And pretty much the same thing on Saturday. That surface low is located west of Chicago. And again, for us, a partly sunny, very warm, if not hot day with only isolated showers. And then Sunday, this is the day where the coverage of showers and storms will be highest over the next 7 days. The ridge weakens, moisture increases, a surface boundary approaches. We'll forecast occasional showers and storms. Rain amounts could be around 1 inch in some spots. It's not going to rain the whole day, but it will likely rain at times. So be aware of that if you got something planned outdoors. The high Sunday will drop to near 80, maybe in the 70s in spots because of clouds and showers. And then Monday, we get into drier air. This is 1 o'clock Monday afternoon. The sky becomes mostly sunny, the high dropping into the upper 70s. Very nice day. This is Tuesday, dry and pleasant. We start the day in the 50s. The high should be in the low 80s. And then this is a week from today. Here comes a big trough slowly shifting into the eastern states. And down below that, looks like we'll have a chance of rain Wednesday of next week, maybe some thunder, probably not a severe weather type event. Then the following day, Thursday, May 25th, troughing over the eastern two-thirds of the country, and a cool air mass settling in here, and a dry air mass. Temperatures below average for much of the nation, the central and eastern states. In the end of the forecast period, Saturday, May 27th. At this point, that looks like a day where there could be a shower, but certainly nothing widespread if this were to verify. Check the numbers. Temperatures above average through Saturday, then below average Sunday through much of next week, with highs on many days only in the 70s, and we'll sure take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and if you can, join us on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.